guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and today is day 28 of my 31 days of Halloween. For today's makeup, I have my little sister back on my channel and I'm going to be doing this doll makeup on her.
And plus, if you didn't see the other video that we did together, my name is Sienna.
What was the other video we did together?
When I did her makeup, go check it out and make sure you subscribe.
I'll put it down below if you want to watch it. But yeah, you know, I like to keep these intros really short, but today's special guest is my sister, and let's just get started on this makeup. Follow my Instagram, social media, subscribe to my YouTube channel.
And so do me. Follow me on Instagram. My name is Sienna.
But let's get started on this doll makeup tutorial.
This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. This love that you never started, you once destroyed a broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have and take us to the edge and back. Claim this love that you never started, you once destroyed broken heart that was already shattered. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Holding on to what we have, you take us to the edge and back. Yeah, yeah. We'll be
So there you have it. This is the doll makeup. It's really creepy but still really cute.
And I'm going to tell you my favorite part about this look. I think these freckles are, because they really stand them out. Plus, when she put the lipstick on, like really stands it out. See?
Well, I'm really glad she likes it, and I hope all you guys like it. And you subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my social media. And yeah, this was the end of the video. I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.